Some things are impossible, but if they're seemingly impossible, there's usually a way around it, and you just have to find out what the best way is.
Impossible is a challenge. It makes us want to work harder to try and overcome that.
It's a word that people use who are skeptical of the fact that we can have a positive future.
Our great strength within Sussex Neuroscience is that we're working together in complementary ways to understand brain processes. There's people from all different disciplines who are developing new methods to try and understand diseases and how the brain works. We can build on those developments so that we can then go on to create better treatments. We're at an amazing stage of developing drugs to treat Alzheimer's disease. Our work involves targeting a protein called tau, which is involved in the process that destroys brain cells. There's been a lot of excitement about the first anti-tau disease-modifying drug. We're still a way off from being able to prevent or completely cure Alzheimer's, but the future is looking positive.
We believe that we can reach a sustainable future with a new approach to research. Here at the University of Sussex, we combine development studies and environmental research into a dynamic program of sustainability research. It helps to bring the expertise together that we need in order to tackle one of the great challenges of our times, achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. We're beginning to see this pay off in projects from all around the world. For example, in the woodlands of Ecuador, we have projects training young people to collect critical biodiversity data that's then used by Ecuadorians to contest in the courts the destruction of their own woodlands by mining. In the drylands of Kenya and Tanzania, we're using the most advanced sciences to improve early warning of imminent droughts. And we're also working on the ground with pastoral farmers to make sure that these warnings reach them. This research is showing how science can advance the well-being of both people and planet.
When you realize that your discoveries can have a direct impact on people's health, it's incredibly rewarding. My team's research in the Genome Damage and Stability Centre is focused on understanding how faulty DNA repair causes human genetic diseases. We're gene hunters, identifying new genes and their roles in maintaining genome stability. If your genome becomes damaged, it can cause cancer, it can cause neurodegeneration. So everybody in the Genome Centre is working on some aspect of how our genomes are maintained in a stable state and transmitted faithfully from one generation to the next. It's having that critical mass that really makes us world-leading and why we stand out on the international stage. The laboratory's research has discovered a number of novel human genes that previously were not known to exist. And in identifying those genes and working out what they do, we've discovered a number of human genetic diseases that arise in people, particularly children. And so now, knowing which genes cause those diseases allows us to advise clinicians and also hopefully in the future find cures for those diseases.